Kung kaya po, the medical community is calling on our government to address the epidemic of alcohol, vape, and tobacco. Nagkakaisa ho kami. And we would like you, the government, to implement more laws, possibly raise taxes on these harmful products. We also call on the candidates of the coming midterm elections to include health taxes as a cornerstone of their agenda and to improve delivery of health delivery laws. Tayo po ang PMA. Kami po ay nagkakaisa upang maghatid ng kalusugan para sa lahat. Ating tigilan ang epidemyang ito ng tobacco, alcohol at vape. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Dr. Hector Santos ng Philippine Medical Association.
Alarmingly, the prevalence of both alcohol and tobacco consumption among young people, so people younger than 20, has actually doubled between 2021 and 2023 according to the National Nutrition Survey. But we're not here just to diagnose the problem. We're here to demand the solution. And the solution is clear. We must raise taxes on tobacco, vape, and alcohol. Higher taxes are a proven tool to reduce consumption, especially among young people, while also generating the revenue we need to fund our public healthcare system. Sa ating mga kandidato ngayong 2025, ang hamon namin ay malinaw. Maninindigan ba kayo para sa kalusugan ng publiko? O papanig kayo sa mga industriyang kumikita mula sa sakit at pinsalang dulot ng yosi, vape at alak? Kasama ng mga medical societies at health advocates, nananawagan kami sa susunod na kongreso. Itaas ang buwis sa yosi, vape at alak. Protektahan ang mga kabataan at siguruhin ang kinabukasan ng ating bayan. Maraming salamat po.